Welcome you friends. In the last lecture we have gone through the various types of principal planes, that is the horizontal plane, vertical plane and profile plane. These are the three types that we learned in the last lecture. Now we are going to learn about the projection methods. So projection methods, there are two types of projection methods are there, that is third angle projection method and first angle projection method. First angle and third angle projection method. Now what is the difference between these two projection methods? So let's see. So see, in the last lecture we have learned about this figure. So this is the VP, this is vertical plane, this is the HP, this is the profile plane, that is the PP. So this HP and VP divides this area into four quadrants. Divides this area into four quadrants. That is, this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So this area is divided into four quadrants: first, second, third and fourth. Now we learn about what is first angle method and third angle method. In the first of all we learn about the first angle method. So in the first angle method, the object lies in the first quadrant. In the first angle method, the object lies in the first quadrant. So say here, the object lies in this quadrant like this. Suppose this is the object. It lies in the first quadrant. Okay. Now the observer is always here. Do remember, the observer is always on this side of the system. It is on the right side of the system. Now observer is looking from this side. So when we transfer these projectors on the VP, so it is like this. Here it will be appear as a front view. Its front view will be here. This is the front view of this object. When we are looking from this side, this is the front view, this is the front view, and we project this on this plane, then this will be the front view. Now when we are looking from the top side, for the top view the observer goes here, and when he looks from top side, its projections come down like this, and its top view will be appear here, like this. Its top view will be appear like this here. So this is the top. Here the top view will appear on the HP, right? And when the observer is looking from this side will be left side. So observer is looking from the left side, its front side view, that is left hand side view, will appear on this PP like this. This is the side view. This is the side view of this object. And which is the side view? This side view is LHSV, that is left hand side view, because we are going to draw this by looking from left side. Left side से देखते हम यहाँ पे draw करें. So this is the left hand side view. This is the front view, top view, and LHSV. Now, as I told you in the last lecture, after drawing this, we are going to rotate this HP by 90 degree in the clockwise direction. So rotate this. This is the HP. Rotate this HP by 90 degree in this clockwise direction. Clockwise direction rotate करना है. Then rotate this PP also in this direction by 90 degree. 90 degree से ये भी हमें rotate करना है. When you rotate it, when we are going to draw the views, see, this is the x-axis, this is the vertical x-axis. I will draw it here. When I draw it, horizontal xy line, this is the horizontal xy line, this is the vertical xy line, x1, y1, and this is the O. This point is the O point. Okay. So the front view is here. Okay. So see, when I rotate it, when we rotate this, in the VP, it means in the first quadrant, here it will be the front view. Here it will be the front view. Okay? And when I rotate this in downward direction, then top view will be below this front view. Top view will be below the front view. And when I rotate this, the left hand side view goes right side of the front view. The left hand side view goes right side of the front view. So here it will be left hand side view. Left hand side view. So like this, the positioning is there. Now I will show you by using this model. So this is the model, right? This is the HP, this is the VP, this is the PP. If suppose this object, this duster is the object, so the object is lies in the first quadrant like this, and the observer is looking from this side. So its front view will be appear on this VP. Okay, this top view will appear on the HP. When we are looking from the top side, the top view will appear here, and the side view will appear here on this PP. And when I rotate it, see, when I rotate it, the front view will be here, the top view will be below XY line, and the side view will be on the right side of the VP. That is right side of the front view, because this is the left hand side view. Now consider that this PP is on this side. This PP is on this side. So I will rotate it like this. Suppose it is like this. Okay. So this is the HP. HP is the HP, VP and PP. Now suppose this is the first quadrant, and if the object is lies here, so here it will be front view, here it is side, top view, and when we look from the side, from this side, now this becomes the right hand side view. So right hand side view on this view, and when I rotate it like this and like this, then here it will be the front view, top view, and on this side there will be right hand side view. So this is the first angle method. This is the first angle method in which we are going to draw the views like this. Okay. Now what is third angle method? In third angle method, it is opposite to that of first angle method. Now in the third angle method, the object is kept in the third quadrant. The object is kept in the third quadrant. So suppose it is lying here. It is lying in the third quadrant like this. Right. Now again the observer is on this side. Observer is always on this side, as I told you. So though this is the, when you are looking from this side, this is the front view, but we are going to draw the front view on the VP. So on the VP, its front view will be appear like this. So this is the front view of this object. Okay. When we look from the top side, the HP is here. So here it will be its top view. This is the top view. Okay. And on this side there is a profile plane. So on this side there will be the side view. And when I rotate it, see, when we rotate this HP by 90 degree, the top view goes above XY line. When I rotate it, top view goes above XY line. I will explain you about this by using this model. See, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. If the object lies in the third quadrant, its front view, observer is always on this side. Remember, observer is always on this side. If the object is here, we are going to draw its front view on this PP, and we are going to draw its top view on this HP. And as I told you, this HP is going to rotate by 90 degree. If I rotate it like this, then top view will be above XY line. The top view will be above XY line, and the front view will be below XY line. The front view will be below XY line, and the top view goes above XY line. So here it will be top view, here it will be the front view in case of this third angle method. Now in the first angle method, the object, see, observer is here. Okay, observer, then next is the object, and then there is a principal plane. Observer, object, principal plane. But in the case of this third angle method, observer, then principal plane, and then object. It means we can say here, in the first angle method, the object is kept in the first quadrant. It means the object is kept in between observer and principal plane. The object is kept in between observer and principal plane. In the third angle method, the object is kept in the third quadrant. That is, it is the principal plane is kept in between observer and the object. So this is the third angle method, this is the first angle method. Now how to position this? As I told you, in the first angle method, see, this is the first angle method. First angle method. This is the third angle method. Third angle method. So in this, object is kept in the first quadrant. In this, the object is kept in third quadrant. In this, object is kept in the first quadrant. Here the object is kept in the third quadrant. Then the next is, what we can say, if I draw it in block diagram, if I want to represent this first angle method in the block diagram, so I will draw here 3 blocks like this. I'll draw it 3 blocks. As we seen, it is like this. Then here it will be the observer, here it is the object, and here it is the principal plane. So the object is kept in between principal plane and observer. And if I want to represent this third angle method in block diagram, so in this case it is like this. If this is the observer, this is the principal plane, and this is the object. So in the third angle method, the object is kept behind principal plane, or we can say the principal plane is kept in between observer and object, and here the object is kept in between observer and principal plane. This is the difference between first angle and third angle method. And third one, if I draw a symbol, there is symbol is there. If I want to draw that symbol, first angle method symbol is like this, it is like this. Draw this, it is the side view of frustum. If I project it, this is a circle and this one is the circle, like this. So this internal circle is for this front portion of this frustum, and this external portion is for this. So this is the first angle method symbol. When we look from this side, if we are looking from this side, then we draw the side view or front view on the opposite side of this object. Now in this, if I want to draw the symbol of this, then it will be like this. This is the object, this is the object, and if I want to draw it, then it is like this. This is the circle for top portion, this circle from bottom portion. This circle for this one circle is for this. So it means when we look from this side, we are looking from this side and we are going to draw the view on the same side. But here we are looking from this side and drawing the view on the opposite side. This is the basic difference between first angle and third angle method. Third angle and first angle projection. Now what is the locations? So this is most important. So while drawing the using this first angle and third angle method, this is the most important, that is the location of all the views. Do remember this? So it is like this. So if I want to draw the front view here, if you draw the front view here, if I am going to draw the front view here, below there is a top view. This is the front view, below that is the top view. On the right side of the front view, there will be LHSV, and on the left side of the front view, there will be RHSV. So in the problem, it is asked to draw the left hand side view. Remember, if in the problem it is asked to draw the left hand side view, then keep your hand on this, like this. Then you will get that the front view is here in the second quadrant, then here it will be the top view below that, and on the right side of the front view there will be left hand side view. And if in the problem right hand side view is asked, then keep your hand on this, place your hand. So front view will be here, top view will be here, and on the left side of the front view there will be right hand side view. So like this you can remember the positioning of the views. But in the third angle projection, it is opposite to this or this, that of first angle method. So in this, the front view is below xy line, the top view will be here. On the right side of the front view there will be right hand side view, and on the left side of the front view there is the left hand side view. This is the difference. In the front view, see, in the first angle method, the front view is the above xy line, top view below xy line. On the right side of the front view, there is the LHSV. On the left side of the front view there is the RHSV. In the third angle projection, the front view is below xy line, top view is above xy line, and the right hand side view is on the right side of the front view, left hand side view is the on the left side of the front view. So in the problem only one view is asked, that is either right hand side view is asked or left hand side view is asked. So like that you can position. Front view and top view is asked always, but left hand side view or right hand side view, anyone can ask, that is the front view or left hand side view or right hand side view. Accordingly we are going to draw it as per the position. So from this we will get that what is third angle method, what is first angle method. So do remember, firstly go through the first lecture of this, that is the types of principal plane. Then you go through this lecture so that you can understand what is the difference between first angle and third angle method. Thank you. In the next lecture we will see about the projection of points. So if you like this video, click on like button, do comment, do subscribe, ask your friends to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.